Hello, this is John Benson PR Salat Achievements One Day, and for today's video, I am going to answer the Output-Based Assessment 2 for the final first semester. So here are the scores, and there are the frequency. So the frequency represent that in this course 11 to 15 only have 3 students, and 16 to 20 got scores 7 students, 21 to 25 scores 10 students, 26 to 30 scores 6 students, 31 to 35 scores 9 students, 36 to 40 3 students, 41 to 45 5 students, 46 to 50 5 students. And now let's move on for the lower boundaries. To solve the lower boundaries, we have to minus 0.5 to the lowest score. So lowest score minus 0.5 to have the lower boundary. So 11 minus 0.5 equals 10.5. 16 minus 0.5 is equal to 15.5. 21 minus 0.5 equals 20.5. And also, let's do that for the following so on. So 26 to something like that. And now, let's solve for the class mark. To solve the class mark, we have to add the lowest score and the highest score divided by 2. So 11 plus 15 equals 26, divided by 2 equals 13. 16 plus 20 is equal to 36, divided by 2 equals 18. And so on, same doing here. And the answer is here. So kung ano po yung ginawa mo dito, sa simula, yun na po yung gagawin mo hanggang matapos dito. So and now, let's move to solve the fx. To solve the fx, we have to multiply the class mark and the f. So 13 times 3 equals 39, 18 times 7 equals 126, 23 times 10 equals 230, 28 times 6 is equal to 168, 33 times 9 is equal to 297, 38 times 3 is equal to 114, 43 times 5 is equal to 215. 48 times 5 is equal to 240. So next that, we have to add all this number to find this one, the total f. So 39 plus 126 plus 230 plus 168 plus 297 plus 114 plus 215 plus 240 is equal to 1,429. So now let's solve for the cumulative frequency. To solve the cumulative frequency, it is so simple, guys. So, let us copy the 3 here. And to the next step, let us add 3 to the following numbers. So, 3 plus 7 equals 10. 10 plus 10 equals 20. 20 plus 6 equals 26. 26 plus 9 equals 35. 35 plus 3 equals 38. 38 plus 5 equals 43. And 43 plus 5 equals 48. So, 48, guys, balance po siya. 48 and the total number 48. Kailangan po natin siyang mabalance. So, nagiging balance po siya. And now, let's solve for the mean. To solve the mean, we have to follow the formula. So, ito po yung formula. So, as it was, 1,429 divided by 48 or over 48 is equal to 29.77. So that we have to identify where is 29.77 scores parts of. So, we identify that it's parts of the scores 29 to 30. 26 to 30. So, we need to put this one. So, we have to identify that one. So, naging circle. Lagyan pa natin siya ng circle. So, next to do, let's solve for the median. And now, let's solve for the median. First step is we need to follow the formula. Ito po yung formula na nasa taas po, yan, naka-underline. So, first thing to do is we have to solve first this one na naka-bracket po. Uunahin po natin siyang isosolve. So, as it was, we have the total number 48 over 2 or divide 2 minus cumulative frequency over FMC and follow the bracket is equal to CW or times CW. Next steps, we have that. So copy this one here, plus here. So unahin pa rin po natin isosolve yung nasa gitna as it was. Ito po yung nauna natin isosolve. So ito po siya, 48 divided by 2 is equal to 24. And the cumulative frequency or the CF equals 20. Ito po yun. Paano po makikita yung CW? Ito po yun siya. So upper part of the 26 po. So as identified po siya. Ito po yun, 20. So let's put here the 20. So the cumulative frequency is 20 over FMC. Ang FMC naman po, ito po yun. Kinuha po natin is ito. Itong number 6 po. So, let's have here the over 6. And the CW, to find the CW, we have to add this one. We have to minus this one pala. So, subtract this one. So, 16 minus 11 is equal to 5. So, that's why our CW is equal to 5. And next step is LBMC plus this one and this one. So, first thing, saan po natin makukuha yung LBMC? Makukuha po natin ang LBMC, ito po yung lower boundaries po. So, ito po yun siya. Ito, 25.5, yan po. 25.5. Yan po yung LBMC natin. So, i-copy po natin siya dito. So, 25.5 plus plus this one. So, 4 over 6 times 5. So, ito po yung mangyayari up next. So, we have first to do 4 divided by 6 is equal to 0.66. Kaya, kinaka-copy paste po natin dito yung 25.5 plus bracket po niya. Sa gitna po ilalagay yung 0.66 bracket po close times 5. So, is equal to, next steps, 25.5 plus 3.3. Paano po natin nakukuha yung 3.3? Ganito po yun. 0.66 times 5 is equal to 3.3. So, ang mangyayari po next step is i-add na lang po natin siya. So, 25.5 plus 3.3 is equal to 28.8. So, yan na po yung median natin. So, nakikita po natin na yan po yung magiging median natin. And now, let's solve for the mode as last part of this. So, mode, ito po yung formula. This is the formula of mode. LBMC plus the bracket D over D1 over D1 plus D2 close bracket times CW. So, ito po yung maging mangyari sa sunod niya. Next step. So, as we already identified the LBMC, so we copy here that ito po LBMC 25.5. So, let's copy here sa 25.5 plus bracket po siya at unahin pa rin po natin ito. So, D1 is identified as 4. Bakit po 4 yung D1 natin? Ito po yun. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. So, D1 po natin is 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. So, ito po yun. Nilagay po natin dito yung 4 over D1 plus D2. So, identify that one po. We already identified the D1 is equal to 4. And now, let's identify for the D2. Ang D2 po naman natin is 6 minus 9 or 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. That's why we have 3 for the D2. So, it's already identified as D2. D2 po is 3. So, i-close bracket po natin siya. Mapalagay po na times 5. So, next steps, 25.5 plus the bracket inside 4 over 7. Why naging 7? So, we add the D1 plus D2 or the 3 or the 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Bracket inside times 5. Next steps is we have to solve this one. Copy this one here to 25.5 plus the bracket and we have to solve this one. So, 4 divided by 7 is equal to 0.57 bracket or times 5. So, things to do, we have to multiply the 0.55 times 5 is equal to 2.85. So, let's copy here. 25.5 plus 2.85. And next steps for the last is 25.5 plus 2.85 is equal to 28.35. So, it's me again, John Benson P. Arsolon. Thank you for watching my video and hope you guys learned something from my video. Thank you.